Mamelodi Sundowns coach Manqoba Mngqithi remained unsatisfied despite his side's commanding 4-0 victory over Mbabane Swallows in the first leg of their CAF Champions League preliminary round at Lucas Moreira Stadium on Saturday night. The Brazilians, fresh off a frustrating spell in front of goal during recent MTN 8 matches, finally found their scoring touch. Goals from Musa Libusa, Ikrem Reyners, and a brace from Lucas Ribeiro put them firmly in control against the Eswatini side, effectively guaranteeing their progression to the group stages. The second leg will also be played at Lucas Moreira Stadium as Swallows' home ground failed to meet Confederation of African Football standards. While the results was a relief for Sundowns fans, Mngqithi was far from content and said, "I was happy with scoring 4 goals, to be honest, but I'm still unhappy because we got a lot of other chances that we should have scored but didn't." Sundowns dominated from the outset, racing to a 3-0 lead by halftime with clinical finishes from Ribeiro, Libusa and Reyners. Despite maintaining control in the second half, they only added one more goal when Ribeiro completed his brace. Mngqithi further said that in the games we played against Polokwane City and Stellenbosch, my complaint was not that we weren't creating chances, but that we weren't finishing them. Referring to their recent struggles in the MTN competition, he said we could have scored 7 or 8 goals had we taken our chances. When you don't take your chances, it can easily result in the opponent scoring from the few counter-attacks they had. Manqoba pointed to the team's lack of sharpness in the attacking third as an ongoing concern. Despite their dominant performance, he desired more ruthless display that underlines the high standards at Sundowns. The Brazilians, seeking another deep run in Africa's premier club competition, may have won comfortably, but their coach's critique serves as a reminder that in their eyes, there's still a room for improvement. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.